how to make your own Bluetooth engine speaker. You start with the side cover, mark a circle where your speaker is going to be, just like that. You drill a little hole, put in a vise, and cut that hole out. Now you should have something that looks like this. This is the little Bluetooth amplifier I'll be using. It comes with the little power cord. I'm just going to go ahead and snip it, and I'm going to wire that directly to the battery. We're going to glue the speaker real good to the side cover, just like that. Through the governor armhole, I'm going to run the cord that I just snipped. And this is the little battery adapter I made out of a Black & Decker charger. I just kind of redid it. I didn't have a DeWalt one. This, I'm going to be using a top plate. Mount the little homemade battery adapter to the top plate. And make sure it fits good. Yeah, it looks good. Now we're going to wire the speaker wires to the amplifier, just like that. Now we're going to plug in the power cord. I'm also going to tape the volume button so it doesn't move. Turn on the amplifier, put it all in the engine, get the side cover on there, bolt it down. And now I'll get the piston, put the piston in, get the battery connected, and let's see what it sounds like.
Last night we left.